Welcome to yet another informative episode of Know and Grow with Mubashir Jilani, your trusted coach, simplifying personal finance and investments for you. Today, we're talking about a topic that many expats in the GCC are curious about: investing for beginners. If you've been thinking, where do I even begin, or how do I make my money grow while living in the Gulf, then this video is for you. Why should expats invest? Let's start with the big question. Why should you invest in the first place? Well, most of us expats move to the GCC to earn better, save faster, and secure a good future in the limited period of time. But simply saving money in a bank account isn't enough anymore. Inflation slowly eats away the purchasing power of your cash sitting idle in bank account. Your money needs to grow faster than inflation. That's where investing comes in. Let me give you an example. A friend of mine moved to Dubai in 2018. He earned well and saved money, but kept it all in his saving account. Fast forward 5 years, his money barely grew. Meanwhile, another colleague invested regularly in ETFs and grew his wealth by nearly 40%. Without being a stock expert. That's the difference investing makes. What does investing really mean? Let's simplify this. Investing is putting your money to work so it can earn more money over time and beat the inflationary erosion of your wealth. This can be through stocks, for example, buying small ownership in companies, real estate, owning property that gains value or earns rental income, mutual funds or ETFs, diversified bundle of investments, gold, a traditional store of value, especially popular among South Asian investors, or even bonds and sukuks, which give fixed income for the risk-averse investors. Thinking of investing is like planting a tree. You don't see the fruit immediately, but over time, it grows, multiplies, and gives back. What to do before you start? Before jumping into any investment, you need to get your basics right. Step number 1 always is build an emergency fund. Always keep 3 to 6 months of expenses aside in a liquid account. This is your safety net. Step number 2 is get out of high interest debt. There's no point in investing for 8% return if your credit card is draining you at 36%. And step number 3 is know your goals. Are you investing for your child's future education, or buying a house or apartment back home, or planning early retirement? Your goal decides your investment style. Investment options expats have in GCC. Now the good part. Where can you invest as an expat in the Gulf? Living in GCC gives you unique opportunity of access to global market. Here are some beginner-friendly options. Index funds and ETFs, which are available via global platforms like Serva, Baraka, Stashaway, or interactive brokers, which are low cost, diversified, and easy to understand. Great for long-term growth. Number 2 is US stocks and blue chip companies. You can invest in companies like Apple, Tesla through platforms like eToro, interactive brokers, even Serva Trade and Baraka. Real estate in your home country or in GCC, but be mindful of taxes, legalities, and rental yields. GCC real estate can be tricky but offers good rental income opportunities. Platforms like Stake, SmartCrowd, Pripco gives you good option of fractional ownership in UAE and Saudi real estate. You can invest as little as 250 dirhams. Sukuk or Islamic investments. If you prefer Sharia compliant investments, Sukuk or Islamic mutual funds are now easily accessible online. Before we go further, if you're just starting your investing journey and want a clear and simplified guidance, I've got something special for you. I've written a free ebook on investing, a step-by-step guide designed especially for beginners like you living and working in the GCC. In this guide, I break down the basics of investing, how to beat inflation, how to build long-term wealth, and avoid the common mistakes that drain your savings. It's simple and practical, simplifying investing for you. Download it now. The link is in the description below. Common mistakes expats should avoid. I've seen so many expats make the same mistakes again and again. Chasing quick returns, Someone tells you about crypto or gold is hot, you jump in without research, falling for sales traps, insurance plans disguised as investments with high fees, not diversifying, putting all your money in one stock or one asset or one country, starting too late, waiting for more savings or better timing often means lost years. Remember, time is money in this case. One client in Qatar waited for 3 years just to time the market. In that time, S&P 500 grew over 40%. What is the lesson? Start now, start small, but start smart. How to start small as an expat? If you're thinking, Bashir, this sounds good, but I don't have thousands to invest. Let me tell you, you don't need thousands. With platforms like Serva, Baraka, you can start with just $100. Automate a small portion from your salary, even 300 dirham or real per month will add up. Regular monthly investment of 300 real or dirham can grow up to 230,000 real in 20 years at 10% annual return. Set up simple 3 fund portfolio: global ETF and stocks, regional ETF or real estate, sukuk or cash equivalent. You can learn the basics, stay consistent and avoid emotional decisions. That's all it takes to grow wealth over time. So expats, investing is not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start small, stay consistent and keep learning. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe to Know and Grow with Mubashir Jirani. And if you're serious about learning personal finance and investing smartly while living in the GCC, join our WhatsApp and Facebook communities. We are building a tribe of smart expats and we want you to be part of it. Links are in the description below. Until next time, take care, invest wisely and keep growing.